Hello everyone, we are Wifit Dungeon and my name is Padapajanin,
My name is Myra Tang Tong.
and this is our project progress. First is the problem statement. We found out that only 30% of adolescents and 70% of adults meet the physical activity recommendation from WHO. And we incorporate that the in traditional exercising method is monotonous and it lack immersive and interactive elements, lead to inconsistent exercising habits. So we select the solution of gamification, which can help others engage in what they are doing. So we get the objective of design an immersive game which incorporate exercising as a core with the progressive system, so the user will feel rewarding and it will feel immersive. Next is the benefit that we get, of course, the fitness experience that are engaging, improve their physical and mental health, and more privacy and personalized fitness journey. This is our significant with three of our competitors. You can see in this table the platform, the recommendation postures, and the varieties with the progressions. And in this table, you will see the personalized recommendations, the exercise techniques, the customization, and gameplay. Next is our user story. First, the user. Of course, they want the UI to be easy to use and the beautiful one to be easy to understand. The project owner wants the project objective to be clear and effective resource allocation. The expert want the evidence-based programming. Developer, of course, they want a robust application development, and the investor want to see the progress and user engagement metrics. And this is our use case diagram. Next is our UX and UI design mockup.
So let's start with the first UI is focus workout area. You can see that we have a specific part of body that you can choose. And when you choose, it will show available pose that will get to that body part. And when you choose that pose, it will explain briefly how you do the pose. Next is our loadout choosing. You can see that it have many weapons in the scene and each of weapon have their own stat. Next is our user in-game perspective. The user in-game only see the health they have and currency they have. Next is our progress. So we have done a interaction, enemy behavior, animation, enemy model, basic stat, and environment, which you can see on the demo scene. Next is our upcoming task. We decide that we will refine the VR integration, improve in-game interaction and locomotion, more variety of environment and items, add basic exercising posture with detection system, implement inventory, shop and currency system, and implement growth tracking system. So next is our timeline.
And this is the demo part. Firstly, when you enter, you can use the interaction. You can use your controller to control your hands and moving it around. Next, you can move around by the locomotions, or you can also walk by yourself. The locomotion is for the people who have motion sickness. And you can climb the stair in these interactions. You can climb up and climb down only. Next is the UI, some of the UI that you can use, like the slide bar to increase the volume or the settings. That's also the buttons. And you can type in this UI. It's like a normal keyboard, but you need to type in with your controller. Next is the grabbable things like this bow. You can use it. You can grab thing around. You can grab the arrow. You can grab the bow. You can place it down or just grab it up again. You can just throw it around, and you can pick up this hammer like anything that we code as it to be grabbable. This is the snap point. We will use it for our inventory or the backpack system. You won't have to carry the backpack around that will be on your back, but you can use it as a snap point like this. Next, first you need to choose the weapon, and this box is destructible, the destructible things in the scenes. And also you can throw it like this. Okay, so next video is about the enemies that I have made. The red one is the enemy, and the blue one represent the player side. So they also have the wandering. They will patrol the way, but and when they detect is the enemy, they will run to the enemy. The player side is passive, so they just want attack first. They got attack, so they will attack later. And the red one is the aggressive one. After the blue one die, the red one will just enter the wandering phase on once again. And I'm the player here, so I hope it doesn't detect us. Thank you for your listening. We are proud to present you this progress. Thank you. See you in the dungeon.